Go ahead.
When you look around Disneyland stuff, you always see something about D23. What is D23? And we are curious, so we joined
Yes, we did.
D23.
And actually, we joined as couple. You can go and just join for free, and it's already will have it benefits. They will send you special videos, special stuff.
They have a cool website, of course. I love this website. They've connected themselves to the Disney archives, and they do articles all the time on there, and I love it. I'm such a nerd for that kind of stuff.
Historical nerd.
Yes.
It is one membership, gold membership, and 2 people can join. So it's a dual membership. And this is cost about $99 per person. And for additional, I think what is it, $30, you can add another member. You won't have it a special gift, but you'll have it some certificate, and you're also getting some discounts when you're inside the park.
We joined D23, and today we got our package. It's late because probably most people unpack it like January when it comes, but we're unpacking it now because we just got it now.
Hey, it's new to us.
It's new to us, so let's go. Or slice your own. Hey, my dad said not to do it towards you. Always do it away from
Well,
me.
if I do towards you, then it's worse. Okay. There you go. And you know, when you actually open packages on a camera, it's always difficult.
Look,
Ooh,
it's another
white
box.
paper.
No, it's not another box, actually.
What is this white paper? Let's see. Yes. Ooh, look on this.
It is another box. Well, let's get this box open.
Okay.
I've got it. I've got it.
There you go.
It is its own box. The official Disney Fans Club. That's what it says.
Okay, let's open. What is inside?
Ooh,
Oh, you have it. A card.
I'm a card-carrying member of
The
Disney
plastic
Fan
card.
Club.
Date. So also inside you have certificate.
Wow, we need to put that in the wall.
Okay, and here is a special from Michael Vargo with a stamped stuff.
Nice.
Okay. Next, you have a certificate of authenticity. Authenticity. Man, English
It
is
says
weird.
Mickey Mouse, leader of the club, milestone statue.
Okay,
That's what's in here.
we can calculate. Go ahead, open that one. Ooh. Another 100.
Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is not why we joined, but it is a fun little
Well, this is, honestly, you know what? This is well done box. It's feel very solid.
store all of your Disney like
Okay. There you go.
souvenirs in it.
So it's actually a bit heavier than I expected. It's like exactly the same statue when you're going into the park. And remember, they have this statue outside, I think.
Yes.
We filmed it. So.
Yes, yeah, that statue.
Nice, nice. And if I'm right, before they usually send pins or other stuff.
Yeah.
So there's the one statue, and this one, it is for second person, me. That is
you
the
go.
same things.
You too are a
Club.
card-carrying member.
And it was using, yeah, so card was holding right here. But this one, you can see, it's like teeny tiny Mickey Mouses. So it's actually very, even small details. It's what I like it. I like the, when people pay attention to details, it's mean they care about this.
Who's the leader of the club that's made for you and me? M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. That was from the Mickey Mouse Club. So I grew up hearing that song.
Well, okay, here's what we have inside the statue of Mickey Mouse. Mickey. That's all, folks.